Somebody was talking about me working on the Jeep the other day. They say they're looking forward to me getting back to that. I will, you know. Winter's coming. I need to do a brake job on it pretty soon. But I kind of like getting this Ford finished up first. That way when I put it away for winter, I feel good about it. And then when I want to get it out and go for a ride, it's ready to go, you know. I'd love to take it out front and do some donuts in the snow. This year I've done that with a hot rod before and it's a lot of fun. Makes good video. Yeah, it was a 7/16. Let's see if I can turn it now. Get a little wrench on it. If I can turn it and get it out, we'll be halfway there. Oh, look at it. Easy as pie. Nothing to it. Nothing to it. Hope it comes out okay. Once I get the screw loose. Alrighty, there's the screw right there. I'm gonna sit that right over there so I'll know where it's at. Now, that little clamp's off. Let's see if I can wiggle that out of there. I might need a pair of pliers to pull it out. Yeah, I get some pliers on that baby. We'll put a little force on it. Well, I crawled out and I had a pair laying right there under my armpit. That's the way it goes sometimes, you know. You'll be working on a car and your tool all you need is you're laying on it and you can't tell. Dang, I say that all the time. Dang. Oh yeah, it's moving a little. That's good, coming out. That's good, it's out. Woo. Oh yeah, it's out. And here's the broken shaft right here. That's the end of the shaft that is broken. Came right out with it. And what do we got here? I believe that's the gear that goes on the end of it. Right there. Yep. See that? That's the gear that goes on the end of that new one, and it was broke off right there, right on the end of it. So, where's my new one? I think it's over here. I think I can bring this right in, same way that one is. Stick this little gear right into that. Let's find the other end of this thing. Yep. I need that to go into the gear. Alrighty.